welcome to my channel. I learn colors name. Let's go. This is a yellow color. This is a light green color. This is a blue color. This is a brown color. This is a purple color. This is a green color. This is a red color. This is a black color. This is a pink color. And this is a orange color. I draw lowercase letter A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. and Z. Let's paint. Orange color. A for aeroplane. B for broccoli. C for cow. D for donut. E for elephant.
Let's see a list of words that start with the letter A. Apple, angel, address, animal,
F for frog.
answer, April, autumn, ambulance, airplane,
G for grass.
alligator, ant,
H for hat.
art, apple, angel,
I for ice cream.
animal, answer, April, autumn,
Blue color. J for jelly.
row, alligator, ant,
K for kite.
1, 2, 3, let's go. A, B, C, count the rhythm.
L for lion.
2, 3, we're singing
M for monkey.
together. A, B, C, count the rhythm. And 1, 2, 3, we're singing
N for nest.
together.
O for orange.
A, B, C, count the rhythm.
P for peacock.
2, 3, we're singing all together. A, B, C, count
Q for queen.
1, 2, 3, we're singing all together. Yeah, let's see a list of words that start with the letter A. Apple,
Light green color. R for rainbow. S for sun.
answer, April, autumn,
T for tiger. U for unicorn. V for vase. W for watermelon.
Ambulance, airplane, arrow, alligator, ant. Amazing.
X for xylophone.
1, 2, 3, let's go. A, B, C, count the rhythm and 1.
Y for yogurt.
We're singing all together. A, B, C, count the rhythm and 1, 2, 3.
Z for zebra.
Together.
Let's repeat learn. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I,
2, 3.
J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. I hope you like my video, so please like, share, and subscribe. I'll meet you next video. See you. Bye bye.